About next topic, anomalous behavior of beryllium. Anomalous behavior of beryllium element. Okay, in your family one person must be different. In our society one person is different. Same way in this family second year group elements, alkaline earth metals family, beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium. Beryllium shows different properties when compared to the remaining members. So it's very important for competitive examination. Why it shows different property? You know already in group top to bottom atomic radius increases. So beryllium has small atomic size. One reason, small atomic size, because that electron is present in second shell. You know that electronic configuration Z is equal to 4, 1s2, 2s2. So because of that small size. And second reason, high electronegativity. You know top to bottom electronegativity decreases. So upper element has more electronegativity. Next, high ionization energy. You know atomic radius is inversely proportional to ionization energy. So atomic radius less, ionization energy is more because of small size and more nuclear force of attraction. And next reason is high polarizing power. You know small size cations are more polarizing power because they distort the charge cloud of the anions. Because of that small size cation, more nuclear force of attraction, and here anion, large atomic size. The small size distort the charge cloud of the anion. You see, generally anions are circular orbit, so they are revolving around the nucleus in circular path. Because of influence of this small size cation, it distorts the charge cloud of the anion. This is nothing but polarizing power. So why this shows polarizing power? Because small atomic size. So because of this reasons, it shows different property. See, in our family also, small childs have different behavior. Same way in this family, this is small atom, so it shows different property. Next, coming to the properties, what are the different properties beryllium shows? First property, beryllium not react with acids. Not react with acids. So any compound which does not react with acid is nothing but inert. Inert means inactive. Active means reaction takes place. It undergoes in reaction, but it is inactive. Why it is inactive position? Because if you take beryllium element is there. For example, this is a beryllium element. Immediately, because of that small size, it absorbs oxygen from the atmosphere. It absorbs oxygen from the atmosphere and finally form beryllium oxide. So one oxide layer is formed around the beryllium atom surface. So that protect the further reaction, that protect the further chemical reactivity. So that's why it is inert. So this, because of this oxide layer around the beryllium atom, because of this property, it does not participate in the reaction. That's why it does not react with further acids. That is one different behavior. But remaining elements, they are all react with acids. They shows chloride property when react with hydrochloric acid. They form sulfates when react with sulfuric acid. They react with nitric acid to form nitrates. But beryllium does not shows. And next one, beryllium, as you know already, beryllium is a small ionic size. So because of this small ionic size, it is more polarizing power. You know, according to Fazan's rules, polarizing power increases, covalent nature increases. Covalent nature increases. So beryllium compounds are covalent in nature. Beryllium compounds like beryllium fluoride or beryllium chloride, so they are covalent in nature. But remaining compounds, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, they are ionic in nature. Only beryllium have covalent in nature. Why covalent nature? Reason, polarizing power. So this point is given in previous science NEET question 2018. So remember, why beryllium shows covalent nature? Reason, polarizing power. Which have small ionic size, that has more polarizing power. So beryllium is more polarizing power. And next one, beryllium oxides. Beryllium oxides behaves as amphoteric compound. Beryllium oxides are amphoteric compound, but remaining compounds are basic compounds. See your family: beryllium oxide, magnesium oxide, calcium oxide, strontium oxide, barium oxide. So here top to bottom basic nature increases. Barium oxide is strong base and this is weak base, and it is amphoteric. So these elements shows amphoteric. As you know already, which substances are called amphoteric substances? Any compound react with acid as well as base, that compounds are called amphoteric compounds. Now I will show an equation. See here, you know well, hydrochloric acid. This is hydrochloric acid. This hydrochloric acid react with oxide to form water molecule and beryllium chloride. So it react with acid. If you take base, beryllium oxide, react with base, NaOH. Here you see, you write the compound like this and practice like this, NaOH, and remove water molecule. So Na2, BeO2, sodium berylite plus water molecule. So this reaction explains that it reacts with both acid as well as base. Any compound react with acid as well as base is called amphoteric compound. So only beryllium oxide is amphoteric compound, but remaining family shows basic compounds. And next, you compare the hydroxides. Beryllium hydroxide also amphoteric compound. So before we discuss about beryllium oxide, now hydroxide. What about hydroxide? Beryllium hydroxide also amphoteric compound. How it shows amphoteric nature? Same way it react with acids. You can take any acid like sulfuric acid. If you take a sulfuric acid, so this is a strong acid. Now it react with sulfuric acid. Finally, removal of water molecule takes place. Finally, it forms beryllium sulfate and water molecule. So this is acid. Beryllium oxide react with acid. Now same way, if you take hydroxide, strong base, beryllium hydroxide also amphoteric in nature. They are amphoteric in nature. For example, if you take beryllium hydroxide, this beryllium hydroxide react with the acid H2SO4. It forms beryllium sulfate and water molecule. Same way, it react with base like sodium hydroxide, 2NaOH. It forms Na2BeOH taken 4 times. So this is one type of complex compound. Complex compound name sodium tetra, because of 4 hydroxyl ions are there. Hydroxoberylate. So here we ended with the suffix 8 because of anion. Here sodium cation positive charge and anion negative charge. Sodium tetrahydroxoberylate 2, because here beryllium oxidation state is +2 state. So Based on this example, what we observed, it react with acid as well as base. So because of this property, it is amphoteric in nature. So both oxides, beryllium oxides and beryllium hydroxides, both are amphoteric in nature because they react with acid and base. And next property, they have a capacity to form complex compound. See, for example, formation of the complex compounds. Complex compounds already we discussed before. BeF4 taken -2. This is one complex compound, but remaining compounds does not show this property. And BeOH taken 4 -2, and BeH2O taken 4 times minus here +2. So they have a tendency to form a complex compounds, and at the same time hydrated salt. See, this is hydrated salt like a BeCl2, 2H2O, hydrated salt. Hydrated salt is nothing but surrounded by water molecule. Salt surrounded by the water molecule is called hydrated salt. So because of that small size, it absorbs moisture. So that is nothing but hygroscopic substance. So they absorb moisture from the atmosphere. So generally any humidity is there, in that humidity conditions they are using these salts. And next one, beryllium is a hard substance when compared to the remaining elements. So because of this, it has a high melting and boiling point because of strong metallic bonding. Okay, when compared to the remaining elements. You know already beryllium small size, so close packing of atoms. Here packing of atoms are very close and there is no interatomic distance. So because of that strong metallic packing, they show high melting and boiling point. They require more temperature. And next one, beryllium compound does not give flame test when compared to the remaining elements. So although magnesium also there, but we are speaking about only beryllium. Beryllium does not give flame test, but remaining elements, barium, calcium, strontium, these elements shows flame test. They shows the different colors. Why this beryllium does not show flame test? Because it is a small atomic size. And next one, carbides.